extra virgin olive oil for weight loss.
Olive oil with lemon. In 1 cup of lukewarm water, squeeze juice of half lemon and 1 teaspoon olive oil. Consume this tea daily in the morning.
Process 2. This process cleanses liver, digestive system and encourages weight loss. Consume raw veggies and fruits throughout the day. Mix 1/4 cup of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Consume this mixture before going to bed. From next day resume to regular healthy eating and drink mixture of 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice nightly.